This is the Royal Residency, which is the next hotel in Kushinagar. Alright, this is our next hotel in Kushinagar. The room's on the first floor, and it's got view to the outside. And outside in the yard, there's a pond in the middle. Right now we are in Kushinagar, the temple dedicated to Buddha's grand nirvana.
There is a place when he was at 80-year-old. So he was at 80-year-old in that time. So he was so old, 80-year-old. You can understand. 80-year-old time is very. Ananda and said, "Oh Ananda, I want to attend Mahaparinirvana in Kushinagar. Go and inform to all disciples, to all followers." So when Ananda heard this news, he became shocked. He became shocked. Why? Because he served him for last 20 years. Okay? Buddha said, it is the universal truth. One who born on this earth, they must die.
Right.
Why you surprised? Why you became shocked? Why? It is the universal truth. Go and inform to the all disciples and be prepared to go in Kushinara. Because in that time the name of this place was Kushinara. And why you wanted to attend Mahaparinirvana in Kushinagar, while Kushinagar is a very small place. Normally you also think, if a person where he born, he want to die there. Lord Buddha born in Lumbini. Why he want to attend Mahaparinirvana at this place?
So good information.
Yes. What was the reason?
We go this way?
Please
okay.
Yeah. What was the reason? Lord Buddha gave 3 reasons.
Okay.
Why he wanted to attend Mahaparinirvana at this place. You can see it is the actual position. Here.
Okay.
It is the actual position. It is the actual place where Lord Buddha attended Mahaparinirvana.
Oh wow, that little mount right here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Lord Buddha took his last breath there.
Oh wow. Okay. Oh wow. Okay.
Please come.
Okay.
When you enter in the temple, you will see the reclining statue of Buddha.
Okay.
The length of that statue is 6.1 meter in length, and Buddha face was in the west direction.
Face the west.
West direction.
Oh, okay, that's interesting. That is interesting.
Yeah.
Okay.
And when he attended Mahaparinirvana at this place, then his face was in the west direction.
Okay.
Because sunset in the west.
Yes, that's the same reason Buddha Amitabha choose the Pure Land to be in the west. That's the location of the sunset. Yes. Okay. Very unique. Yes.
And you can see this place after Mahaparinirvana, after when Lord Buddha attended Mahaparinirvana, his body was kept for 7 days at this place.
Okay.
Why his body was kept for 7 days? Because you know, a lot of followers, a lot of disciples of Buddha lived in the different part of the country.
Right.
So
gives them time to get gather here.
Yeah. So they could come for the last respect of Lord Buddha. So his body was kept for 7 days at this place. So please come.
Yes.
And you can see this structure. This structure is already home. You know, a lot of after hotel there was no hotel. Please take off your shoes.
Okay.
You can see the reclining statue.
Right.
Please.
Okay.
If you want, you can turn around 1 time, 2 times.
Yes. Okay. This is Shakyamuni Buddha in the reclining position as he enters the Grand Nirvana. Okay. Okay.
The statue of Buddha is 1700-year-old statue.
1700 years old.
And it was made by Haribala in Gupta dynasty. Gupta period, the time of Gupta period was 3rd century. He gifted this statue. This is gold stand. This is. You can see the face was in the west direction.
Face the west.
Yeah.
Let me.
You can see this is favorite disciple Ananda.
That's Ananda, statue of Ananda. You can see Subhadra last give him last Subhadra. Subhadra?
Yeah, Subhadra.
Okay.
And Mallika, you know? Mallika was the wife of Drona. Drona divided the whole Buddha relic into 8 parts. So, she was his wife.
Okay.
The statue was gifted by Haribala, name Haribal, which was related to the 5th century, Gupta dynasty, Gupta period. Yeah, this is pink seat. Pink seat?
Pink sheet?
Yeah.
Pink sheet.
Outside,
Why is it called pink sheet? It's golden color.
Golden color. What means if a person die, his relative remove his old cloth. India became free in 1947. So our first Prime Minister decided to renovate the whole Buddhist place. Okay. So the upper structure was made in 1956 to protect this statue, to shelter this statue. You understand? नहीं चाहिए। can see, this is a big stupa, big stupa, big monument. Why? Why a lot of stupa is, you can see also a cluster of votive stupa. Votive, you know votive?
No, I don't.
Votive means in present time, people wish something and they pray to God. If you complete my wishes.
Oh,
in ancient time, people made such type of stupa.
Gotcha.
And this stupa was called votive stupa.
Okay.
A cluster of votive. Why? Because you know, Buddha opposed the statue worship. Buddha never want to statue worship. So once time, the disciple of Lord Buddha asked him, "My Lord, we wanted to remember you. Thus, we wanted to worship you, wanted to remember you after your Mahaparinirvana." So Buddha said, "If you wanted to remember me, you can make a statue. You can make a stupa, not a statue. Because Buddha opposed the statue worship. He never want to statue worship.
Like statue of him, right?
Statue worship, like statue.
Okay, like an actual statue.
He never want.
Right.
He never want. But with the passage of time, people make such type of statue of Lord Buddha. But Buddha never want.
Right.
So, in ancient time, during Buddha time, a lot of people make such type of stupa, small stupa, big stupa, not a statue of Buddha. So it is the actual place where Lord Buddha took his last breath. Okay?
Wow. But can we access? We cannot go in there.
No, we can access, no problem. From outside, we can access.
Okay.
Okay.
So this is the center.
Yeah. And this
that's
place,
where Buddha actually.
This place was built by King Ashoka. King Ashoka, you know about King Ashoka? Yeah, King Ashoka. The time period was King Ashoka was after 200 years of Mahaparinirvana of Lord Buddha. Lord Buddha attained Mahaparinirvana before 2500 years, and King Ashoka ruled all over the India near about 2300 years before. Is written. A lot of people is written as a wish, and they pray Buddha. You can see.
Yes. What are they writing?
Writing his wishes.
Oh, wishes. Okay.
Wishes. Some structure you are seeing is made for meditation. Yeah. One structure you can see, Hitchcockian structure, Aniruddha, you know? Aniruddha.
Smile karo.
Smile.
Colin, is that your other admirer? A bunch of school children coming to visit this temple as well. What we are seeing here is again the place where Buddha took his last breath. Right here. This is where he went to Nirvana, Nibbana.
From this side you can climb.
Okay.
But please take off your shoes.
Okay.
For the purity of place.
Now we are actually on the stupa.
Lord Buddha took his last breath between two salt trees. One salt tree is here and one salt tree is there.
Okay.
Because it was the King Malla Sal garden. And King Malla donated all his royal garden in the name of Lord Buddha.
And this is to confirm, this is where Buddha
Buddha
slept.
Buddha head was in the north direction.
This
in the same position.
North,
statue, you can see already statue, reclining statue
the
of
northwest,
Lord Buddha.
south, okay.
Yeah. You can already see the reclining statue of Lord Buddha gave 3 reasons. In his first reason he said to his favorite disciple Ananda, he was a famous king in his previous life. And his name was Mahachakravarti Mahasudarsana. And people around 50 kilometers of this place loved him and respected him very much. So because of love and affection of people in my previous life, Buddha said he wanted to come in Kushinagar to attend Mahaparinirvana. It was the first reason. In his second reason he said, there was a old man named Subhadra, 120-year-old man. I already saw you on the reclining statue of Buddha. Middle man was the Subhadra. He said, there was an old man named Subhadra, 120-year-old man named Subhadra, who was very eager, very excited to be disciple. Buddha said, I also wanted to go in Kushinara to give him last sermon. Subhadra belonged to Kushinara, so Buddha wanted to come in Kushinara to attend Mahaparinirvana. It was the second reason. In his third reason he said, after his Mahaparinirvana, king will create some dispute for his relic distribution. Then there will be a wise man named Drona who will solve all the problem. And Drona also belonged to Kushinara. So Buddha said in his third reason, so he wanted to come in Kushinara to attend Mahaparinirvana. So these were the third reason why Buddha wanted to come in Kushinara to attend Mahaparinirvana.
Got you. Great, thank you.
Please come. Pankaj Mishra.
Can you say one more time?
My name is Pankaj Mishra and I explain all the sacred place of Lord Buddha in Kushinagar. So if anyone want, they can visit me.
Okay, all right, thank you so much. All right.
Come every day, please come.
As we're exiting the temple, more students are visiting the temple where Buddha went to Nirvana. Mahaparinirvana temple.
First came at this place. After that he went to the Mahaparinirvana temple.
Okay.
So this place is called Matha Kunwar. Matha Kunwar. Matha is the Hindi word. Matha means dead. And Kunwar is the Hindi word. It means princess. A dead princess. You already know Lord Buddha was the prince of his kingdom. Lord Buddha was prince of his kingdom. Don't dependent on anyone. क्या भैया ठीक है? अरे कुछ हमारे लिए व्यवस्था करेंगे, हमारे लिए होगा तो क्या बताया जाए। In the east direction. His face is present in the east direction.
Can we go inside?
Yeah, you can enter. No
Okay.
problem. Yeah, you can see. Be a little bit careful.
Okay, yes.
You stand here. You stand here and कहा था हमने बात करी नमस्कार ना बढ़िया वाला ग्रुप तो बढ़िया वाला ग्रुप तो पहले ही crematorium place of Lord Buddha.
Okay.
Lord Buddha body was cremated there. Okay. And King Ashoka built a huge stupa over the crematorium place of Lord Buddha. You know this one?
Okay.
Buddha was king in his previous life, and he was also prince in current life. So you must do his funeral in grand manner, not in simple manner, in grand manner. So what Drona said, King Malla followed. They all came here. So he collected the whole Buddha relic, except of Ramagram Stupa part. Why? Because Lord Buddha gave 84,000 teaching in his life. So Ashoka wanted to make one stupa in all over India. In that time, Pakistan, Afghanistan, Bangladesh were the part of India.
Different geometry.
You can see. Yeah.
Yes.
A lot of stupa was destroyed by Muslim attackers, and also with the passage of time.
I see people offer flower here.
Yeah, flower. You know, 3-time execution.
America.
Yes.
Sir, where are you from? Your favorite activity?
USA.
Nice to meet you. From which place in USA?
They are trying to speak English.
Okay.
So they practice.
Okay.
Video.
That then. You can speak up. Speak up.
Why you choose this place to visit?
Oh wow.
अजी जूता उता पहन के मत आओ यहाँ पे।
Do you like this? Do you know Hindi?
Do you want to know Hindi?
Learn. You want to learn Hindi? Okay.
Yeah.
Do you like our country?
What's your name?
We are from defense. You're from where? Defense.
You are kind of.
What is your name?
Hello.
है जूता पहन के यहाँ पे अलाउड नहीं है जी।
Hello.
नीचे जाओ।
You are from?
Oh, they're so friendly.
They are
Like he's
practicing
a-
to speak English fluently.
like he treated like he's a famous person.
Oh, जूता न पहनो। चलिए हो गया।
Same place. Same place.
Where are you from? Do you see Major League?
I'm from Texas.
Texas.
Texas, United States. Okay, thank you. Bye bye. Yeah, yes.
Yeah.
India #1. Yes.
Visit
America. Visit again,
Wow, he's actually signing something. He's asking for autographs.
अजी फोटो लेना
Oh my
है तो
goodness.
आप खड़े हो जाओ, फोटो एक ले लो।
Colin Chan, are you famous?
हो गया।
Uncle.
What'd you do?
From which country you are?
We're from Texas, United States.
Yes.
सैनिक डिसिप्लिन नहीं है।
We have. Please, one signature, please. Brother, your name? Money of our India. Money of our India. No, it's okay. Please, sorry, Anurag, एक मेरे लेवल लेना। Please, एक भैया। Hi, भैया। भैया। How are you, भैया?
Where are you from? USA.
Oh my goodness. You are famous.
चलिए हो गया आप लोगों का।
I cannot believe they're so friendly. They even ask Colin for autographs.
Do you know Hindi?
मोबाइल नंबर
भैया phone number.
मोबाइल नंबर।
Nice to meet you. Please.
Look.
Oh, Indian penny.
No.
Take it.
It's okay.
Take it. Do you use Instagram?
No.
अजी इधर देखो तुम लोग।
I'm चुप बे।
Oh, they're so friendly. They're very friendly people.
You are. Uncle, what's your name?
Secret. No, not important. My name's not important. Okay. Thank you guys. Thank you.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.
Hiran means deer. Because during Buddha time a lot of deer were moving beside the river. So the name of this river was based on that deer. The Hiranyavati river. You know, first time when Ananda come, when he took water from this river, water was not clean. He went there, he went to the Matha Kuvar and asked my Lord, water was not clean, what I did. So Buddha say, go again and take some water from him. You know, during Buddha time, the river was flowing just beside the crematorium. The river was so broad.
That is the crematory.
But with the passage of time, the river became small.
Very colorful. People are friendly.
You can read the 8 name of that kings. You find very peace.
Okay.
You know, every day I come in the morning time 6 o'clock.
Here?
Here.
Oh, okay. Let me take a picture
Yeah,
of this.
yeah, you can.
Okay.
The 8 name of king. Udajasattu. Polichi Yadashali. Please take off your shoes here also.
So this is the original distribution site of the Buddha's relics, and these are the names of the 8 kings during the time. Okay.
My father also requested this place to the chief officer, and he made.
कपिल वस्तु में एक कुआं था, पानी उसका एकदम साफ, एकदम क्लीन दिख रहा था। नीचे क्या क्या है, क्या गिरा है, कितना कंकड़ है, सब दिख रहा है। कपिल वस्तु
绕佛，我们都是顺时钟绕，边绕佛边想佛，想佛生前的事迹，想佛他教我们的一切，想佛出生的地方、涅槃的地方、成道的地方、讲经的地方。I think that's the Bodhi tree also. Yeah? It's a Bodhi tree. Bodhi tree. Look at the leaves. Okay. See if we can find a fallen Bodhi tree leaf. But that's more fresh and clean and perfect in shape. Don't do that. Don't do that. Look through our camera. This is our morning football. Ultra down jacket. Did you have fun? Okay. Let's go.